Good morning, guys. Currently sitting at Wanji boat ramp this morning. The sun's yet to come up. It's still pretty dark out there, so we've had some family come down from Queensland, Andrew, so I'm gonna take him out fishing today. Gonna do a little state of origin battle. Got the old man coming down with Josh as well in a different boat, so battle between the boats as well. We've had big flooding all up the east coast of New South Wales over the last week, so see what that water looks like. Might find it a bit tough to get a bite, might have to fish some deeper water, but yeah, we'll see how we go. I just seen a boat go out then at the ramp, so the ramp must be alright, mustn't be too much debris around, so we'll see how we go. I'm just waiting for Andrew and that to get here now, and we'll get out in the water and we'll give it a crack. Yeah, hit it. Yep, that's right. Doesn't feel too heavy. Oh. A little flat end, is it? Come to the top like that. A little flat end, yep. First fish in the boat.
Yeah, nice.
The monkey's off the back.
Oh, fucking good. Dirty.
You ripper.
Yeah, good. Sorry, mate. Was that Queensland just won the first game, was it? Or?
Well, we're not actually doing it like that. Sorry. So.
Where's?
It's under there.
Oh, yeah, right.
Up here. Esky.
Beautiful. They didn't fight too hard, eh?
Nah.
Fuck. Beautiful.
First one in the boat.
Yeah, good.
Makes it easy just being able to set up a drift wherever you want. Oh, no. I wanted one for ages. Fuck.
You watch, I'll go home and buy a boat now.
Super expensive to set up, like. Yep, got him right.
Whee, fucking hell.
Yeah. Oh, look at that whiting.
That was, oh, yeah, fuck. Yeah, good.
Have a go at that whiting.
Fucking hey.
What does that measure?
33, 34.
He's strong.
30, 35.
Oh, you'd have to give me 36.
36. Fucking hey. What's legal?
Oh, he's well legal.
Is he?
Yeah,
I was going to say he is big, eh?
Oh, keep him too. I haven't had whiting in ages.
Oh, beautiful.
Hit it.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, you got to hit him. Was it any? Did it feel alright?
Yep.
Spiky little bastards, these are.
They are, I know. Things. Oh.
Shut on me. Yep. That's a better fish.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, maybe not. Nah.
Bloody. It's not a bad one, but.
Where's the good size ones?
Where's your dad and your mum?
Yeah, that's right. Might let him go, I think.
Right up. You need,
He's legal, but he's right on the limit.
yeah, you need grips. Got him.
Should be alright.
If he settles down a little bit. Yeah.
He's there. Some just be grabbing real hard on their ass and put them upside down.
Yeah, they're sweet. My God.
Yep.
Oh, you're joking. That seems like a better fish.
Yeah, it is better. Yep. Definitely better.
Get them there. Like you're telling me up here. This will be like 2014 fucking State of Origin's here. Is that in the way there? No, yes.
Oh, the brim. Not a bad size. Not what I'm looking for though.
No.
Unfortunately. There we go. Set it over there so you're not sticking wet. Oh, that's enough. Relax. Relax.
It is a very mixed bag, isn't it?
It is. They fight hard.
Yeah, they do, eh? What they are.
Yeah.
They're not good eating, really, are they?
Oh, I don't know. I don't really like eating them. To be honest.
Yeah, I've never really. I'd take a flatty or a whiting any day.
Oh,
Taylor.
for sure.
One of the best fish I've ever had.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of Taylor.
It was honestly. I don't know whether it was just the occasion or like what it was.
All the 15 beers. That probably made it taste a bit better.
Probably did.
15 beers, nothing to eat all day.
Yeah, that too. That too.
No, honestly, I haven't really eaten it too much.
You got to eat them fresh.
Just the colour of the meat.
You got to eat them fresh.
I keep them for crab bait.
Do you?
That's all I do, yeah. If I get a Taylor, crab bait. Can't fucking win.
Fuck, that looks alright.
I'm gonna have to let him go.
Get.
What size is it?
Fucking huge.
Yeah, it looks bigger than that. Fuck, we're out
That was
together
our
there,
fish. They pushed in front of us, the dogs.
Yeah, fuck we're there together somewhere, aren't we?
Oh, are we? Nah, I think you went left, didn't you?
Either that or I'm on.
Yeah, hit it. Hit it. There you go.
This feels a little bit
Oh,
better.
you might be on to me.
Am I? No, it was fighting, surely. No, it's fighting.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Hang on, I'll get it there.
Righto.
we were crossed up.
We-
Right. Just walk him around, yeah.
It's a nice one too.
I think we'll keep that one.
I
That's
think
a
we
nice
should.
eater,
I
that
think
one.
we should, yep.
Lovely.
Nice work.
You caught it.
No, no, you put me on it.
Yeah.
Please. Fuck,
That's better.
that's a good one. I'll get the net, eh?
Oh, maybe not. No. Oh. Yeah, it's alright fish. I think that's New South Wales back on top.
Depends what it is, yeah. It'll be a
It's
flake.
definitely New South Wales back on top.
Holy fucking yeah, definitely. No, no. Ew.
That's a nice one, isn't it?
That's fucking beautiful.
Yoo-hoo! That might have been theirs.
Did you let that one go?
Oh,
That's
lovely.
that is a fucking nice lizard. Look at your photo.
That's not a bad fish.
It's fucking beautiful. Very nice.
I haven't caught one like that in a while. Look at him standing up like that.
That's fat.
Isn't that?
On.
Yeah, it's only a little. Come to the top here.
That might be pretty.
We're in that bit of fresh. Hey?
Eagle's got something in the talent too.
Yeah.
Fucking A. That looks like a good
That's
one.
a better fish. It's a good fish.
Shall I get the net?
Yep. Definitely get the net. I don't like the feeling of it. It feels like it's chafing up the line, eh?
Yeah,
It's got good weight.
Doesn't sound.
Moving pretty quick though. I don't know if it's a flathead. It might be a little dewy.
They fight pretty hard, Dewey.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Didn't like coming in the boat.
Nah. Lost it.
Oh, Dewey.
Ah!
Dewey.
I don't want to call it too early, but I think New South Wales gets the win here, mate.
In extra time.
Oh, by the way, if you get a decent fish and you're still fighting it at 1:45, mate, snip, keep going. Yep.
Oi.
Yep. I'd slack my line then,
Yeah.
and I just seen it go.
New South Wales will definitely come through in the last 10 minutes.
Better use the net for that little guy.
Just in case.
That's another legal one.
That is, yeah. Nice.
Just before we piss off.
Yeah. Alright, I'll have one more cast, I reckon.
Just legal. How'd you go? Hey? I've never done well up here, eh?
Saw you pull something big in. 9 ago?
Oh, painted over there, yeah.
No, I saw that flatty, but.
Oh, you pulled in a fucking rooster.
Oh, maybe that was it.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Maybe that was what I saw.
yeah. Thought it was another one, but no.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I reckon I lost a Dewey.
Do you reckon?
Small one. Wouldn't have been big, but
There's a run.
yeah. Anyway.
I only kept that tail of a crab bait.
Yeah, that's...
That's what he was saying. I don't understand that.
What do you mean?
Fresh tail is like fucking unreal.
He's like fucking Rodney.
That's what I said that.
That's what he said. That's
Tail
what
on
he said.
toast.
The best fish, one of the best fish I've ever had. I pulled straight off fucking the beach at Fraser and cooked it on the barbecue for dinner.
You haven't had many fish, and if that's one of the best you've had. Yeah.
Bloody Queenslanders. Weirdos.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Simpletons.
You to the weirdos.
Crab bait. Right?
Telling ya. Look how happy I was. I'll show you the photo. I was telling Joel the story of that I caught 3 times before I actually caught it.
It makes it so much easier to kill them.
Oh, that's definitely my problem in Queensland then.
Yeah,
That's
Too
why
hot up there.
Yeah, that's why I can't feel it properly.